Is it okay to do exercise when you get COVID, and when should they be started? Because as you also know, जैसे ही किसी को पता लगता है कि COVID है, they start searching on YouTube or on, they start asking their relatives कि क्या exercise करें जिससे हमारा oxygen level जो है वो नहीं गिरे. So kindly give some light on that.
So very nice question, Shivani. So before starting answering on this question, I would like to mention that it's not a general thing that you should exercise in COVID or you should not exercise during COVID. So there are certain criteria which we should keep in mind before starting the exercises if you get COVID. So like if you are having fever, or if you're having shortness of breath, if you're having dizziness, or if you're having palpitations. So I will advise that for initial 8 to 10 days, don't do any form of exercises. Just take rest. Just try to be as calm as possible. Do your steam, medication, whatever advised by your doctor. Do simple but still, if you are not getting shortness of breath and you're like just in the quarantine period and you're not getting any dizziness or palpitations, so I will advise it's very important to do simple breathing exercises even when you get COVID and you're into the quarantine period. And now comes the breathing exercises. Breathing exercise doesn't mean that you have to do deep inhalations while you are in the quarantine period. Just a simple relaxed breathing. Inhale through nose, exhale through mouth. So that's simple exercises you can do during COVID. And second, it's very important to just keep moving your toes and ankle. So like we call it ankle toe pumps, so that your blood circulation is getting pumped and there are least chances of getting clot or clotting or thrombosis, we call in medical language.
Right.
So it's important to at least keep moving inside the room. So these are the simple things you can do during COVID, and we call it very mild exercises for the initial 10 days. And if we are not getting a shortness of breath, dizziness, and if we are not having high fever, so then you can do these exercises.
Right. So I think this is very much clear to everyone because, things are very clear, and Dr. Neha has told the things very clearly that if you are having fever, if you're having dizziness, if you're feeling very weak, then it's better to take a lot of rest, because that's what is recommended during, when you are diagnosed with COVID.
Yeah.
And if you feel good, if you feel little better, then definitely start with breathing exercise. And I think this is all about conscious breathing, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a conscious breathing only. Yeah.
Right,
so like simple, just through inhale through nose, exhale through mouth. So it not only helps in building your lung capacity, but it also calms you. So it acts on our nervous system, and it just release your anxiety, your stress, which you are going through as soon as you get COVID. So generally, if you will be calm, you will be less anxious, your oxygen level will also not drop.
Right.
So all things are interrelated.
Right. And not to forget the trick she has told us, so that the better blood circulation is there and no chances of thrombosis should, happen. So this leg palm thing she has told, you must try that. And, anybody has COVID in your family or in your friends, do tell them about this knowledge, because this is not from the WhatsApp University. This is from the right doctor here.
Very
so, yeah, thank you so much, Dr.